brief of our Torah. In this week's Parsha, we learn about the half shekel. So the question is, why a half shekel? Well, number one, we're not allowed to count Jews. There's a mitzvah not to make a census per se. But the best way to get around this is that everybody has to give a half shekel. All the men have to give a half shekel. And then you count the half shekels, and then you know how many Jews there are. It's a very simple system. And it's a half shekel for everybody. This is to show equality among Jews. All Jews are equal. Nobody is above anybody else in holiness. And remember, this is money that's holy money. It's going to the tabernacle. And therefore, it's showing that we're all part of the same endeavor. We're all holy in the sense of we all potential to be holy, rather. We have equal opportunity to become holy. And then comes the question, why only a half? Why not a whole shekel? And there we get into a major concept that no Jew can attain holiness by himself. You cannot go to a desert island and live by yourself or with just your family and be holy. You have to be in a community. You have to help in the communal efforts of holiness. That is a very important concept among Jews, that we do everything in community. If you want to pray, we try to attain at least a quorum of men so that we can have public prayers. We do things that for the community, we give charity, etc. So this is the lesson that the Torah is trying to teach us, that we are all in it together. Now, some people might have better abilities than others. That's okay, but everybody has the potential. It's up to us to utilize our potential for the good of the community and the people. Something to think about.